Hey, hello everyone. My name is Saikat Sarkar and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Eken H9R, the action camera. I bought this action camera from GearBest, the website, and I got it like in around 3,500 rupees INR obviously. So let's get started. So first of all, let me tell you that it is not any kind of unboxing. I don't know how to unbox, right? I'm not good in it. So what I did, I will just tell you about the specification of the camera and I will show you some, clip from the action camera. And if you want to buy this camera, I will give you a link in the description. You can go for it and maybe you can get it under 3,500. Anyway, let's get started. So here is the box, Eken H9R. Alright, and what they give, actually they give waterproof housing, they give a frame, they give lots of mount, handlebar mount and a remote control. Let me tell you H9R, H9R, right? H9R means remote. If you have remote, then it will be H9R. If they're not giving you remote, it will be H9 only. Alright, and what they're giving in the specification: photo, the camera can click in 12 megapixel, the video will be 4K in 25 and 1080p in 60 or 30 frame per second obviously, and 720p in 120. And it is waterproof till 30 meter. They are giving you Wi-Fi. They are giving you a battery of 1050 mAh 2-inch LED. Obviously HDMI port is there and it is giving you a 170-degree view. Okay, and nothing more than that. So let me show you. Here is the remote. Alright, you can tie it in your hand and you can operate the camera with the help of the remote. And where is the camera? Yeah, here is the camera. Here is the camera case. It is in the waterproof case. So you have to remove it like that. And here is the camera. Alright, it is the power button. It is the shutter button. There is two buttons that you can control it. And you can see there is a port. It is for USB and HDMI, and there is a micro SD port. And the thing is, they don't give you any kind of external mic, right? You cannot connect your camera with external mic. Alright, so it is, you can tell it is a negative point. If you are a beginner, right, in this profession, you can definitely go for this camera, right? The camera will justice your work, your hard work. Okay, and what else? Alright, what they give a charger. Here is a charger, they give it to you. They give mounts, alright. Those mounts, you can mount it on your helmet. Let me tell you one thing, alright, that Eken H9R, they will not give you any J mount. You cannot mount your camera in chin mount. Alright, if you want to mount your camera in chin mount, alright, you can buy a J mount from anywhere, right? It will cost you around 100 rupees. Right, not more than that, or maybe 150. I have no idea. And what else? Yeah, there is a manual. There's a manual book. All right, that will help you to know better the camera. And what else? Nothing else. That's it, I guess. And obviously, I'm going to show you the video. I have mounted my camera on my helmet. Okay, I will right now. I'm going to show you the video clip of the camera, how it is coming, so you can judge it, and if you like it, but if you are beginner and if you want to do it in a professional way, you can buy it. The camera quality is good and it is coming in very cheap price. So here is some video sample of Eken H9R at 1080p at 30 fps. Just check it out. As I cannot see the camera, I don't know how the view is coming. It is like a just free ride. Recently I bought Eken H9R, so it is the first time I'm using it on my helmet on a road. So let's check the qualities and all. someone is honking me from behind. Alright, let him pass. Alright, so you can see it is a very crystal clear picture and the view is very wide. They are telling it is 170 degree, but I don't know how to measure it on video, but it's definitely it's quite wide. So I believe that it is a very good camera. I'm going to suggest it. Alright, a very big thumbs up from my side. It is a good camera and I'm very much satisfied with this. And alright, and if you just like this video, you can just give it a like, and if you have any kind of questions regarding this camera, you can ask me in the comment below, or if you are new to this channel, please subscribe because it matters. Every subscriber matters. And I also do motovlog, so I'm going to do motovlog. If you are a fan of motovlogging, you can subscribe my channel because I'm going to put this video in my channel and you're going to get notified about it. Just put the notification bell on. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you will have a good day. God bless you.